Smash it, that thing, no? Okay. Come, walk there. Come. This is better.
Father, mata matera.
Sit, Baba, here. Harish, you stand there only, no? You stand here. Get a paddy and come. Take. Okay, others stand here. Hey, don't take a naga. Yes, cover for you. Stand in here. Where do you think? Go there.
A side face पर आया, A side face पर.
Yeah, correct. Hey, don't come front. You go behind only. Hey, you can remain here. Come this way. Come, Rebecca, come here. Inside. Huh? See, one finger is there, no? See. I will just show you. The distance should be like this. Far, little far. More than that also. Okay? Only one stick. But they have been doing that. See, look at me. There could be two also. But this finger can go inside. Okay? You saw? Start doing, Baba. Start. I'm giving. Nice, do it. Yeah, you don't put where there is water. Put inside, put little inside. Alright? Can you put that side? To put in. Yes. See, you have to catch the root like this. Look. Everybody of us can do that. Arey Baba, not too much. Yeah. Correct. Do and go forward. You have to finish, no, Baba. Take.
Okay, tell.
My name is Avin Fernandes. My school name is Father Agnello High School.
So what you are doing here today? Cultivation?
We are doing body cultivation.
Okay. You like? You
Yeah,
love
like-
doing it?
Yeah,
Before you have done or this is the first time?
first time.
So how you feel getting into the mud?
Good.
Good experience.
Yeah.
What father told you how to do it?
By catching this one like this
Okay.
and put the finger like this and just put it on.
So you are enjoying it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh? Go on doing till before the rain comes. Yeah, okay, very good.
Father, I will do. It will be more fun to do.
Wonderful. Go on doing. Wow. Yeah. I will. Tell them to speak. Someone want to speak to this, what experience you are getting? Okay. Put this here.
Okay, tell your name.
My name is Anubhav Rai. I am from standard 6th B from Father Agnel High School, Pilar. I got lot of fun to do this work. I like this work. This is my first experience. I liked it, and next year also, if Father calls, I will come and do this work.
So this is a school project.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell.
My name is Linford Istibero. I am from Makazana and I have done it before. Now father taught us how to do that and I am enjoying it.
So how is fun?
It's
And getting into the mud, how you feel?
good.
Good experience.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Roshan Wilson Cardozo and our father teach us to grow the rice in a field. I thank you, Father, to teach me. And our olden times our parents was doing this a fielding. Thank you, Father, for giving us to do this.
My name is Agam Rai. I am studying in Father Agam High School, class 7th B. In my school, this is paddy cultivation is happening, and other sports and many things like football and chess and many games and most of the things like this paddy cultivation, and father is taking this all the care of
Teaching
us to how to plant, and father is giving each and every
This is the first time you are doing?
Yeah.
First time you are doing?
Yeah, I
Yeah, how you feel? You are enjoying in the mud?
Yeah, I am enjoying so much. This is my father told to come here and plant, and father had told that paddy cultivation my father was knowing. Now I
you are
want to
doing.
learn, so I came here and now I started doing.
Enjoying it?
Yeah, it is so much of fun to make this.
Yes, yes.
Project is and what you are trying to teach the students?
See, my dear, today everybody gets the children only in academically strong to be. But my way of life is different. I want them physically, mentally, academically, and culturally strong. And certain things of this like are getting forgotten today. Especially the paddy plantation is almost dead in Goa. The youngster doesn't know. Beside everything else, I'm giving this first-hand information and the training for my boys that they have got to get into the field, understand the pain and difficulties, and also become some human beings that will serve the society tomorrow. All of us wish everyone to serve the society, but who teaches the children? Nobody does it. Everybody wants to make them headmasters, but who will make them heartmasters? Who will understand the pains and difficulties of the poor of the poor? Many times when we go to the market, we don't understand how much the labor the people have put in, how much they have soiled their hands, their legs, their feet, they have got wet in the sun, in the rain, in the winter. This is the little experience I am giving to my boys, so that in turn, they may always be understanding to the poorest community, the farming community sometimes what we are calling, and never to bargain. You see today, most of our Goans has got a way of bargaining. But the same people, if they go in the field, no, they will sell that same thing what they're asking for 20, 30 rupees. They will sell it more than 2,000 to 20,000 because they say 3 months we have been into the field. Sun, rain, sometimes there was no water and we had to make arrangement. We had really slogged and this really worth of that much. Actually, indeed it is. And the government should come forward to give the real support price to the people who are really working. Sometimes to sit down like me, sitting in the office, and my table, cozy table as a headmasters, it is easy. But getting down into the field, it is difficult. That's why our ministers and all the people, bureaucrats, have to understand and really give good support to the farmers who are slogging day in and day out to feed us. Otherwise, we will be nowhere. Imagine, today we are sitting down and doing the intellectual work. How we can do the intellectual work if our tummy is hungry? And this thing, who is doing the work? Are the poor farmer. So my boys, I'm getting them into that understanding, giving them the first-hand training so that the future may be bright. Thank you so much.
My name is Aaron Demello. I'm from Father Agnel High School, Pilar, and I'm studying in 9th B. And we are doing paddy cultivation over here. Paddy cultivation. We are doing happily with joy. We are celebrating the. We are doing the paddy paddy. We are growing paddy for a betterment of the future. Thank you.
Enjoying. Hello, all are enjoying.
Yes, we are
Say
enjoying.
loud. Yeah, enjoying.
Enjoying. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell them what you are joining us.
Yeah. My name is Talula De Silva. I'm an architect from Goa and I love to do rice transplanting and growing rice. Today we have with us my whole team. Okay, these are young architects and students from different colleges in India. And while they know some amount of information about rice and how to grow rice, today they've come to actually practice it. So we have Rahuman, he is coming from Coimbatore. There is Amrita, she's from the Delhi University. There is Naisha, she's studying in Bhopal. There is Nigel, he works in my office as an animator. There is Nitish, he's come from Pune. And there is Dhirija from Chandigarh University.
So, what is the experience being in the mud or not?
I'm an architect who builds with mud, and I think one of the first important connections we need to do is with Goinchi Mati and Amchi Mati, and no better way than to grow rice and have food security. Where you put only one. The idea is this one will give you like 80 grains of rice, single, okay? Sometimes there is also, you put it in a clump, but then it does not get enough, it does not grow in a very robust way, the yield is better. Okay? No, you just press it. You see, you hold a root and you just press it, yeah.
Look at me. See this one stick, no? Make a finger and make it straight. Just do this. Alright? It should be one thing only. See like this? And let it be stand straight. Other thing, little chance to come up, Good afternoon.